Hi everybody, my name is Rasime Demirel. I come from Turkey. I am an associated professor, doctor at Anadolu University, Faculty of Science, Department of Biology. I am a mycologist and main subject is taxonomy and phylogeny. And when I search at the web, I find a young researcher in the biology symposium at Tunisia, and I searched the Tunisia, and it's a very nice city and country I would like to see, and I would like to be together with the young researcher. And my specialty is the Aspergillus and Penicillium, and especially close related species, and I focus on some generation, and I would like to share with my studies and project with the other young scientists. There are a young group in Turkey similar to this group. I can say this group is very open to discuss and learn new ways and new scientists. I would like to really pressure together with them. And also I would like to thanks to first of all organization committee and Tunisian people is very friendly and helpful. Thank you for all.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. You are welcome.